Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to do count if on Microsoft Excel, especially for less than and greater than or in between. Actually, it's very easy or very basic function on Microsoft Excel. So let's get it on. Here I already have the data set, very simple data set, only one column, and then I want to, for example, count the value less than 5. So I put equal to count if with no s, and then put the AA column, and then put comma, and then the criteria, put the quotes. Okay, remember, put the quotes, and then put in the less than, and then the and symbol, as you can see, and then you can input 5 number, close the parentheses, and then hit the enter. Now we check the less than 5, which is 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, it is correct. Now what if equal than 5? So oops, less than equal than 5, so you just same function with the previous, but you put this after the less than is equal, so the result is the same, of course. And then because here we now have the 5 value, for example, I want to change this into 5, so it will different. And then how to do the greater than or the greater than equal is very similar, but the different operator. Now how to do in between, for example, less than 5, also greater than 2. So we use the count ifs function, and then the criteria, you put the first column, and then the criteria is same like before, open the quotes, and then the and operator and symbol, put 5, this is the greater than 5, and then put another comma, and then put the column, and then comma, put again the quotes. It's oops, I did it wrong, so it's less than 5 and then greater than 2. So it will be returns the value that between 2 and 5. I hit the enter. This is the 5. The result is 5, so we can do it manually. Between 2 and 5 is 4 3 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, if I change the number into 0, also will be 6, because this is, which means all less than 5 but greater than 0. So the returns is 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, and so on. Okay, I think that's enough this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's it, please subscribe our channel, and then if you have any question, please put on the comment below. Thank you, bye bye.